Setting booking conditions in your booking engine. Go to Booking Engine Solution, click Setup, and then Booking Conditions. This page will allow you to define your booking conditions. First, choose your deposit type and set the amount. Then, set the amount of days before arrival you expect the balance. Now set the cancellation rules and fees you want to apply. The rules are defined by the number of days away from the intended check-in date, and fees are applied according to penalty types. Fixed amount, percentage, number of nights, or no penalty are their options. You may set as many rules as you wish. Once you're happy with your set conditions, click Save. If you would like to add in more details, enter it into the text box provided and then click Save.